Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Holy Corpse arms in Anime Vanguard. Only ways. First, head to the Forbidden Shrine after reaching level 30 and clear the mini-bosses without dying. Next, farm spirit fragments until you have 50 to improve rare drop rates, and remember to equip a luck amulet before each run. Finish daily missions for extra bonuses and trade, duplicate parts at the vendor for crafting materials. Warm up with short practice runs to learn enemy patterns and conserve potions. Use the 4-to-1 tactic. Perform 4 quick clears and 1 full clear to maximize time efficiency. Prioritize runs during server events that boost rare drop rates by 25% or more, and swap loot rolls with a partner to funnel parts. Finally, log kills and times to refine routes and shave minutes off each run for steady progression. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to help me make more clear farming guides. Quick recommendation. I recently tried those darn tough socks and they lasted through long grind sessions, so consider upgrading gear and comfort together. Check the description for the product link and other deals if you want to grab them. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Once you have core components, head to the armory bench and begin assembly using 3 artisan cores and 2 spirit shards per frame. Combine duplicate salvage parts instead of selling them to collect crafting mats faster. After assembly, apply infusions to raise rarity until you meet the enchanting threshold, then slot a rune for the final stat roll. This approach saves currency and reduces grind time while securing desired perks efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.